Alright. So it is 11:46 p.m. on Wednesday, March the 4th, 2015. And we are getting geared up to go outside. It was pretty warm earlier. I'm trying to remember. It got up in the 50s, I believe. But now this is going on. It started about I don't know, 2, 3 o'clock. It's let up a bit now. So it's gotten about 6 inches here, I guess.
Very snowy outside. In the snow.
So we have to go down through here and get the lower portions of it off, all the buildup, and when we've got that, we go up to here, go along this one, knock it all down, and then we go to the highest point, knock that all down, and it just kind of slides off. After this is all done, I will compile a time lapse. There you go, we just had a picture taken. So what Charles was just telling us, I'm trying to make a little place to hold up the umbrella. What has happened is there's our drift build up outside, and to give you an idea for that height, I'm 5'10". So I'm gonna aim down through here. We've got pieces of conduit, the big old water taped in so we don't puncture the plastic. So we just knock off the snow and if we look toward the side there, we might be able to catch it here. I don't know how well this is going to show up. But as I knock it off, you see it's running down the side there. And we just do it bit by bit. Every one of these panels. Now, so I'm going to shut it off because that's pretty much all there is. But go through the rest of this. We've been coming out here about once every hour to do this, go through this whole process. And this side of the building has been getting mostly snow. The other side has been getting ice, just because the wind's blowing in. We are facing pretty much north-northeast right now. And that side gets ice, so when you hit it, it just sloughs off pretty well. kind of hear it in the background. Over the fans, I don't know if you can hear it. On this side, you just kind of have to work it from the bottom up. So about 10 minutes later here, our intrepid, I don't even know what to call this task, de-snowers have been wheeling away. Charles is still down there hitting a few extra things. I'm going to try to make a pass outside. See that team? How well this is going to show up. Yeah, so that's the snow we've been knocking off the side of this thing. Wow. Oh, okay. I'm going to get back away from the... I have to get some gear on here for this. So now that's the drill. That's what we do about once every hour or two, and what we'll probably be doing for the next 6 or 7 hours.
Yes, I'm going to make you happy.